Alright, let's kick the new year with a box opening video. Today I got something really special all the way from Bali, Indonesia. I found a really nice brand I discovered called Machine 56 and I clearly fell in love and I ordered something. It's really nice. It's a jacket and a sweater. So let's just go open it and have a look at it. They make some really cool products. I have to say that I hesitated between the jacket that I took and one of which was a collaboration with King's Must Rise. This guy has a YouTube channel actually, and you should definitely check it because it's really good. He's making some nice vlogs. He has some really nice products. Awesome. So. And we go, oh, we're starting with the sweater. Nice. And then we have the awesome jacket in this nice pocket with keychain, perfect. Let's start with the sweater. I don't need to be a beast and rip it off actually, I just need to do this. So, I took some large, okay? I'm really scared about the sizes. The fact is that where I'm living, there's the tallest people in the world. I'm 1.80 m and I have to buy small. Otherwise, the sleeves come up halfway to my hand, which is insane. So when I order something from Asia, I'm always a little bit scared about the sizes. So I took something approximately my size. Look at this. Looks goddamn great. Oh. Damn. Look at this. Damn, you're gonna have a good look at it afterwards, but damn, that looks great. And it comes with a hood. And this one is always here. It's not. This one is not a removable one. It's nice. Damn, that looks great. The quality looks awesome as well. Dang, can't wait to try it. Pockets on the side. A lot of pockets. Looks pretty cool. I like the back pockets as well. Yes, that looks great. Can't wait to try it. Back pocket here, a pretty big one. We also have, here we go, all of this here that we can take off pretty easily if we don't want it. Pocket on the side here, another pocket here. Pocket on the side, another strap here. Damn. Look at this beast. Look at this one. I also got those amazing Nikes a few weeks ago. They were on sales. They are crazy. I didn't see them when they got out, but damn, they're amazing. So you have the main part of the shoe here, and then you have this kind of plastic cover that wraps around, and there's a nice zipper on top of it, and it's giving kind of like a really cool aspect to it. Looks a bit like octopus skin, to be honest. That's semi-transparent with some effect on the surface. I think that will be a really nice addition to any of your Techwear outfits. blend in with most of things. They look pretty cool. All right, let's start with the sweatshirt. It looks pretty great. It feels amazing. That's the perfect size. I'm large for 1.80 m, and the length of the sleeves are perfect. I love this one. It looks amazing. Really great. Let's try the bomber now. And the bomber look amazing. Size is also perfect, large for 1.80 m. Just maybe the thumb holes or loop are a little bit small. That's okay for me, but I don't have thick hands. So if you have like big hands, that might feel a bit uncomfortable. But other than that, the quality looks awesome. Side pocket as well. Damn. With the hood on, what an amazing jacket. I'm so happy. Oh, god damn. Totally worth it. We'll buy again. I really love it. Damn. That's some great product. I can see the quality is awesome. The stitches are really nicely done. The quality of the material is also really good. Damn. And look at this. Straight out looking from outfit from a movie, to be honest. Like a good Blade Runner jacket. If you love Techwear, this brand is really nice. So hella work here, Machine 56. Can't wait to see new things coming out. I know you regularly put some new stuff out. And that's affordable. That's a little bit expensive, of course, compared to regular clothing, but for what you have, it's awesome. Also, I didn't need to pay douane taxes this time. Last time I ordered something from Asia, I had to pay douane taxes, which was around 50% of the cost of what I ordered, which would have hurt a little bit my wallet if it was right now. I didn't get it. I'm really happy. I guess in Europe it's a bit about like 50-50. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't, but yeah. All right, and see you next time.